am Aiza Ali and you are watching Saiban News HD. Now we adding some important news.
Adding news from Lahore, rising star cricketer and all-rounder Abdullah Babar, who is the owner and CEO of Pak Saudi International Company Private Limited, arrived from Saudi Arabia to attend the PCB President's Trophy Grade 2 Cricket Department meeting at Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore. The Pakistan Cricket Board organized the meeting at Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore, which was attended by the heads of various cricket departments. Abdullah Babar, speaking to the press, shared that the meeting led by Director Domestic Cricket, Mr. Khurram Niazi, was excellent and covered various aspects which will enhance Pakistan's domestic cricket. He thanked the Pakistan Cricket Board and stated that such meetings should continue.
For updates, connect with Saiban News HD.